Hello, welcome to Steve's Long Stay Workshop. And this might not be stopping you very long actually, it might go in the house. This is a French radio. Again, I got it from Goulburn, fairly cheaply, and it appears to work. So if I was to do that, you see, lights come on the side there, and give it a minute, it should come up and should give us 5 live.
QPR nil. Millwall nil, Sheffield Wednesday nil. Sheffield
that sounds okay to me.
Nil. Wrexham 1, Bristol City nil. And in the 8 o'clock kick-off.
This might be nothing more than a show and tell, but
Goal to nil.
there are some things that we must check on these. So obviously we will. I don't know who had this before, but they appear to have done a pretty good job of it, I must say. So what's doing here with me? Anyway, so one thing I've always said about this business, and it's very important, is that no matter how well the radio appears to have been renovated, until you take it for yourself, you do not know for sure. Okay, it's here in the lab, looking quite happy at the moment, but we don't know until we've had a look inside. And this one I think may be okay, but obviously we need to check such things before we make such assumptions, and so we will. So find a screwdriver that undoes the back screws here. Got one, okay. These are new screws, by the way, so it's obviously been worked on before. And it looks very clean in the back, so obviously that as well suggests that it's been worked on before, but it might be okay. It might have some terrible fault which doesn't stop it from working, but isn't safe, so always check. Like I said, I don't think there's a lot wrong with this, but always wise to make sure. This is what we're going to do now. So these 2 screws come out the back here, like that. 2 screws, and the back it does come off, and I think the back's been new as well. Inside the back here, actually, it obviously has been. Hang on, I'll turn it around, hang on. Hang on a sec. The chassis is off completely, and with this radio, as in a lot of French radios, the speaker side of it is also attached to the front, so you don't pull the chassis leave the speaker connected. That's something which I do prefer, but British don't seem to do that for some reason. It's been restored very well, this actually, I must say. That is not longer in use, it's there and there. Main transformers there. Not all components in this have been changed. More have than I would expect, but it's working out okay despite it. And good to see that some of these resistors are kept in, and at the top end too, so it looks to be okay from that score. But now, with it safely out of there and on the bench like that, we'll put that back into there like that. That's because I didn't hear anything on shortwave when I checked it before, so I'm going to make sure that there is something there for that by putting it back. I'm putting it back on like that. I'm waiting for it to warm up. Yeah, that's warmed up anyway. That's an EM34, I think there is, or something like, yeah, EM34. Yeah. By the way, it's got it is 80 as well, which appears to be new. This one, it's been repaired quite well. So so yeah, so it should be working fairly well. That's on pickup. Hang on, I'll move it. Hang on. That's not moving that now, is it? Okay. Put that back on and see if it'll. No, it won't. Okay, not to worry. I need to put that back on and probably tighten the screw up again so it'll work. So that's what I'll do. By the way, if regarding grub screws, just to let you know, the thing to do, this won't come out, is a problem with all radios of this era, is to soak the grub screws in the oil or something, even contact cleaner, which is what I use here because it was nearest, and then hopefully that'll do for that'll loosen it enough to loosen it enough for them to move, and they did in the end. That's something else which you need to be aware of with these. A lot of our radios, this isn't French, it's all sorts of radios here, by the way. Oh, and also it's got a there we go. That's the pickup, by the way. There's a pickup on this, and with it being having a rectifier as well, then that's something which we can do quite well on these. So this, if you go into the pickup, then you don't have to muck about putting extra modules in the back, because going at the plug-in, you've got a setting on the front here, and this is called pickup. Anyway, let's try now and see what happens when I switch it to one of the other wavebands. That's its goal, which I think is long wave on this, so we should be able to get radio forward.
Notice how some complaints against police were lodged by the 43 forces in the
medium wave.
A senior detective said body armour had saved the officer from serious, if not fatal, injuries. Officials in the US say too.
And they're for shortwave, which I didn't get a lot of. So what that is. There is still actually stuff on shortwave worth listening to, so it's worth having it working, because there's still stuff out there You know, not as much as there was. I mean, things like the voice of maker Jazzo is gone, but there's still stuff out there. So anyway, I take it apart, I've looked at it, it's fine. I don't need to do anything to this actually, which is surprising, judging by the standard stuff I get from Goldburn usually. But it's obviously a happy read, and I hope it will continue to be so. So what I'll do now is put it back together again and try it. This is a Reela Aragon 53, according to the back here. AC. Now, because it says AC on the back, don't take that as read unless you can see, because backs do get swapped, believe me they do. Also, like I said, always check a radio before you plug it in, unless you bought it from a reputable supplier such as Pastime Radio come to mind. They do. Always check it. Okay, and also never leave any old radio switched on when you're not in the room. Unplug it from the mains completely. Okay, very important that you do that. Now, a lot of French radios, not this one, but a lot of French radios have those side contact valves, which do tend to cause a problem. Basically, clean the valve, or just clean the valve, put them back in up to the best there. You know, that's basically all that needs. But this one seems to work rather well now.
More caps in 374.
And it also like I proved before, it has
with 260.
It has
This match falls outside of
pickup
the
as well, so you know you don't need to put anything in this to make it work. You go into the sockets on the back, and it's fine. It'll do it.
18 of their squad have had to return because they
in mono, of course.
England or France. Let's hear from head coach Steve.
So yeah, that's a Reela. And obviously I'll do it very quickly.
For the boys and pick the squad start.
I'll just go and put the lights out so you can see it's actually in the dark.
A good few boys.
And there it is, actually in the dark, more or less. I'll try and get rid of that bit there. The camera's picking it up, but as you can see, there's lights on either side of the dial. The magic eye works, which is quite rare for these, actually, I must say, but in this case it does actually seem to work. So there you are, it's a working radio, a working French radio, and this one is particularly nice, I must say. So there you are, a working French radio. Anyway, I'll be back soon, so until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Be faithful to God, whoever he, she or it is, and I'll see you back again in the workshop soon. Bye bye.